Okay, next content I want to show you is how to set a connection profile, which means to make a shortcut to connect the Oracle database where you need to connect. So let's go to Blackboard first. You need to click the start here, then you'll see Oracle database username and connection profile, and under that you can see more information: name, username, password, role, connection type, host name, port, SID. And in this table you will see your first name and last name, email, and username. This is the username you need to put in when you create connection profile. These usernames are different from AUM username or AUM system. That is, those usernames are just created on database, which is already set up by me. Okay, and for now, your Oracle password is the same with your username of Oracle. In other words, if you are Samuel Bice, your Oracle username is info underscore SBIS, and your password is same with your password as well for now, but you will need to change your password later through assignment. So even if you just see this information, you may not know where and how to create and how to leverage this information. Let me show how and where you need to put this information. First, you need to run SQL Developer with application in the regular folder. So I extract SQL Developer here. So those files and folders needs to exist in regular folder, not zip folder. So if you double click the SQL Developer, then you'll see SQL Developer. So this is main screen when you just run Oracle SQL Developer. So you don't have any for now, because you are not connected on database. You have nothing to do for now. So let me show how to create connection profile. First, you need to click the button. Look like green button, but if you move your mouse cursor on, then you will see the hint, new connection. Or you can create a new connection by clicking this button. Okay, but it's better to click this button. Okay, let me click the button first. Then you will have pop windows like this, and you will see connection name, username, password, and connection type, role, hostname, port, SID. That in this window you have to put your username and password and the other information. So let me copy the name, and then I will paste the name here. Okay, and your username is given in this table. So you must log in with your own Oracle username. If you don't have, for instance, if you just register this course, then you may not have the account yet. I created these accounts a couple of days ago. So you need to log in with your username and your password. Let me log in with my account. Okay, if you use public computer, then it is not recommended to save password. But if you use your own computer, then you can save your password by checking this button and check pass. Okay, so you're done with the connection name and username password only. You don't need to change the connection type and role. You just need to leave basic and default. But you must change host name and port number. Host name and port number and SID. Though that information is given in this notification. So codeum.edu is information for host name. Okay, cody.aum.edu. You don't need to change port number. I'm going to use default port number, but you must change SID. That means you need to replace info XE with info. Okay, so but I want you to do save this connection profile. Otherwise, you need to create connection profile every time you log in Oracle. Okay, let me save the connection profile first. Then, if you click this button, then you will see new connection profile under connections. You don't have any connection for now. Let me click the save button. Then you will see new connection is just created here. Okay, and here again. So now you're ready to connect to the Oracle database, but I always recommend test first if the connection profile is successfully created or not before you connect the database. So let me click the button, then you will see message right after the status. You have nothing right now, but if you click test button, you should have success. If you have a different message, for instance red colored error, then that means there is some information is not correct. Okay, now if you have success message, then you're really ready to connect to the database. Let me connect database. Okay, now it seems like you have nothing, right? But actually if you have no editing area under this tab, that means you are connected to the database. So if you connect the database successfully, then your database connection file should be expandable like this. Let me expand the button. Then you have different objects. Okay, and for this course we're going to use tables only. Okay, but you may use, well, mostly many of your assignments you need to use tables. Okay, let me expand tables. Then you should have 11 tables. So if you have 11 tables, that means your account is successfully created by me. You should have 11 tables. Okay, so if you have 11 tables, then you're ready to proceed next lecture and your assignment.